The channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would be telling you about the Cognizant company who has launched a returnship program. So there is a Cognizant returnship program, and you would get these details on the website as well, in which they are having the openings for the various people who have who had a career break in the past and or who are having the career break in the present as well and who are willing to restart their career. So you can apply for this particular returnship program if you are someone who is having a gap or if you are someone who was not able to continue the career due to some reasons. And there are multiple positions for this. So you can see these are all the positions at pan India level, and the positions are valid till 10th of July 2025. Okay. So don't wait till July. You start today itself to apply all these positions, because there are multiple positions and there will be many people who would be looking forward to apply. So as soon as you watch this video, hit the like button and start applying for the same. So you can see the job locations. It's pan India level. It's available at in Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad. Few of the locations are only for Bangalore and Chennai. So multiple job openings are there. You can see, and security testing, performance testing, accessibility testing, Cypress, Java, Selenium with Cucumber framework, REST assured, APM, Selenium, Playwright with TypeScript. So multiple job openings with respect to testing are also there. So you can apply into these particular positions because this would be valid till 10th of July 2025. And as far as I have known, the interviews would be starting very soon. So once you will apply, then you'll get the calls and then the interviews would be scheduled. So if you are looking for any kind of interview assistance, feel free to book the calls for the mock interviews. Would be happy to assist you for the same. And these are all the openings for the experienced people. So minimum 3 years of experience you should have before you took the break. So you should be one who has taken a minimum of 12 months of career break, and minimum of 3 years of prior professional working experience is required. Then and then only you would be able to apply for this particular program. So you have to click on this apply now button on their website, and you have to submit all your details over here, right? If possible, try to get some referrals on LinkedIn who can assist you with these kind of positions, because if you will have a referral, definitely you will get your chances increased for the shortlisting for the interview as well as for the job opportunities as well. So if you have a referral, the priority would be given first to you compared to the other people in the market, right? So try those things. You'll get many people on LinkedIn who are coming forward to refer the people. Let me show you one such profile. Mm, right. So you can connect with Arjit on LinkedIn, right? He has posted about all these job opportunities and he will refer you as well, right? So you can approach Arjit on LinkedIn and you can connect with them via DM, via call, and you can share your profile with them so that they are able to refer you, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.